Today was a lesson, so embarrassing. I didn't even want to recap at the cut site. You know, I knew my setup had a little flaw with the fuel line because I set it up with a zip tie and it just wasn't that tight. And when the saw conked out, I just kind of assumed that's what it was, and I got it home and tightened it up with a new clamp, and still wouldn't run. And I fully readjusted the carb, reset it and readjusted it, and still wouldn't run. And I was thinking the worst, like you do, and it was just out of gas. So I got the depth set up. I got the 12-inch cut started for the first 2 posts of the project. I have selected a timber frame, so maybe I can finish that cut tomorrow, but not today.